In this video, I'm going to show you how member groups work and how you can use them to organize different subsets of members within your home and also batch add different sets of people to different rooms in your home all at once. So this here is a made up writing community, and let's imagine there's going to be a bunch of instructors and a bunch of students in here. And we want to make it so that all of the instructors get automatically added to all of the right rooms. So that's where we're going to create a member group for the instructors. I've previously set up a couple secret rooms. Right? Maybe there's instructors chat, maybe there's instructors hotline, maybe we have a forum room for instructors announcements, and we'll add that later on. So here's what we'll do. We'll go into the home settings and we'll go to member groups. Now, it's important to note that this is different from roles and permissions. Roles and permissions are focused on who can do what, and member groups are more oriented around access to different rooms. So we'll go into member groups and we'll create a new group, and you can choose how people get added to the group. In this case, we're going to say add individual members. So we'll call this instructors. Could upload an image, but we'll skip that for now. And K is one of our instructors, so we'll add them in. You can always add people to the member group later on as well. So we'll hit done. So now the member group exists. And so what we're going to do is add this member group to each of these secret rooms, basically giving access so that anyone who is added to that member group gets access to this secret room. So we'll go into membership settings and we'll say anyone who is a part of the instructor member group is going to have access to this secret room. And we'll do the same for this one here. Now, imagine we wanted to create a forum room, instructor announcements, we'll call it secret, and we'll create the room. Now we're going to say, yep, we already have this instructor group, and so we're going to add them. So you can add a member group to rooms both after a room is created and also in the process of creating a new room if you already know who you want to have access to it. So instructors, we'll add that to the room. And so wherever this lives, we could organize and put that in that folder, but we'll not do that now. So now if you have existing instructors or anyone who's relevant for that member group, they have access to these. The other thing you can do if you have a new person joining who you want to have be in that member group, you can of course send them your normal home invite link. They would come in and you manually add them to the member group, therefore giving them access to all of those locked or secret rooms. But there's another thing that you can do that will make that process even easier, which is send them a unique URL that when they click it, they will not only join your home, but also be added to that specific member group. So here's how that works. You go to settings, member group. And if you click these three buttons here, you can copy the group link. See, it's copied. And now you can send that directly to the person so that when they join, they automatically join as an instructor, as part of that instructor member group, and therefore automatically get access to the relevant secret or locked rooms. The last cool thing you can do with member groups is you can mention entire member groups all at once. So say a student wanted to get the attention of all of the instructors. Okay, they can do that, and then when they send it, all of the people who are part of that member group will get explicitly notified about it. So that's member groups.